Hello there, Jot. Thank you very much for agreeing to do a testimonial. I just wonder if you could tell me a little bit about yourself and the company that you own.
Yep, myself Prabjot, and we're running a motel called Valley View Motel. We in Morandai.
Okay, beautiful. And now we've been talking for quite some time, but I wonder if you could give me a little bit of an idea of what you think to Richard J pre-sales in terms of the information that you're looking for and why you were looking for a dryer in the first place.
We look on the internet, we Google it first of all, what sort of dryer we're looking for, and then we finally get in touch with a sweet lady called Fiona, which give us all the information related to the product. And the best part, she timely follow up, looking after our needs first, what basically we're looking for, and according to that she suggests couple of products and give us a time to choose which is the right one for us.
Oh, that's lovely. Well, thanks for saying that. You're very nice. Now, in terms of the Electrolux, why did you eventually choose the Electrolux dryer? What was it about this dryer that you liked the best as to why you chose it?
Electrolux is a worldwide a famous brand name, so people know they are reliable in the terms of parts and servicing. Like a Samsung or any other brand, Electrolux, it's one of the most popular brand in the market.
Thank you very much. And obviously here you've got some local service agents too, so that obviously that helps a great deal. Is there anything else about the whole pre-sales and after sales that you had any comments on?
Yeah, definitely. Like I can say that, like as a Fiona, one of the pillar of the company, she chasing up, and she, after we got delivered and installed, she called up and she personally visit to see everything is okay. And she always told us at any stage we do have any problem, we can ring her and she can guide us to the right direction.
Oh, well, that's lovely. Well, thank you very much, Jot. And just have a look at your machine there. You've got a 16 kilo Electrolux residual moisture control. You're obviously using it for sheets and towels.
Yes.
Are there anything else that you're going to utilize it for?
Not at the moment, and we're looking forward to buy an iron ring press, and we'll see how it's going on.
All right.
Definitely will give more business.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate that. You take care and speak again soon.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.